Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your go-to spot for off-road gear, mods, and reviews. Today we're checking out the best aftermarket stereos for Jeep Wrangler JK, from full HD touchscreens to wireless CarPlay powerhouses. Whether you're upgrading your daily ride or prepping for your next trail run, we've got the top 5 picks you can trust. Let's roll. Number 5. Upgrade Android Car Radio. The Upgrade Android Car Radio for the Jeep Wrangler JK 2007-2018 brings together everything a modern driver could want: powerful performance, crystal clear display, and a smart interface. It's compatible with Compass, Patriot, and Dodge Ram models as well, making it a flexible choice for multi-vehicle owners. This system features a responsive touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in GPS navigation, giving you real-time directions even without internet. With Wi-Fi and FM radio support, it's easy to stream music, check routes, or catch local broadcasts. The included backup camera adds a layer of safety, especially when parking or reversing on rough trails. Users praise its easy installation, stable connectivity, and clean factory-fit look. It's the perfect combination of modern features and Jeep ruggedness. A great investment for anyone looking to modernize their dashboard and elevate every journey. Number 4. Jeep Wrangler JK Head Unit. For Jeep owners who value a premium, high-definition experience with modern controls, this QLED touchscreen head unit is a superb upgrade. Designed specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JK and Dodge Ram 1500, this unit combines advanced functionality with an elegant design. The QLED display ensures vibrant color reproduction and excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, perfect for off-road or desert drives. It supports wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and AM/FM radio, letting you access navigation, streaming, and communication without cluttered cables. The single knob control adds a nice tactile element, making volume or quick menu navigation intuitive while driving. Users also appreciate the steering wheel control compatibility, which keeps the driving experience safe and comfortable. Installation is straightforward, with most harnesses included in the box. Performance is smooth, and the interface transitions quickly between apps. Many Jeep enthusiasts praise its balance between rugged style and digital precision, making it a standout choice for serious adventurers. Number 3. Android 13 Car Stereo. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful stereo upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JK, this 7-inch Android 13 head unit is an excellent choice. It's designed to fit not only Wranglers but also Jeep Compass, Patriot, Chrysler, and Dodge models, making it a versatile upgrade option across multiple vehicles. Despite its smaller screen, the display quality is sharp and colorful, ideal for daily use or long drives. It supports Bluetooth hands-free calling, GPS navigation, and both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. The Android 13 operating system runs smoothly, letting you download apps directly from the Play Store for music, maps, or streaming. Installation is fairly simple, with most users reporting plug-and-play compatibility and a clean factory look. The interface is responsive, and audio performance is much better than stock stereos, especially when paired with upgraded speakers. This unit strikes a perfect balance between affordability and features, ideal for Jeep owners who want a reliable multimedia experience without spending too much. Number 2. Car Stereo Radio. For Jeep owners seeking modern performance without the luxury price tag, this Android 13 Car Stereo Radio is an impressive contender. Designed for Jeep Wrangler JK, Compass, Grand Cherokee, and Dodge Ram 1500, it delivers a sleek 10-inch IPS touchscreen that feels intuitive and smooth during use. The system runs on Android 13 OS with 2 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage, ensuring faster app loading and a lag-free experience. It features wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can sync your phone effortlessly, perfect for maps, music, or calls while keeping your hands on the wheel. The built-in GPS navigation, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi provide everything needed for connected off-road adventures. Jeep enthusiasts appreciate its backup camera support and steering wheel control compatibility, enhancing both safety and convenience. It's a fantastic mid-range option that offers tech-savvy features with rugged dependability, making it ideal for both daily commutes and trail rides. Number 1. Stinger Wrangler JK. If you want a premium infotainment upgrade for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, the Stinger High 10 is one of the most advanced replacements available. Featuring a massive 10-inch HD touchscreen, this system brings a tablet-like interface right into your dash. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, giving you seamless smartphone integration for navigation, calls, and media streaming. Users love its factory-fit design, which includes all necessary dash kits and interfaces, making installation straightforward. Its dual USB inputs, hands-free Bluetooth, and customizable interface give you both power and personalization. The display remains responsive, even under sunlight, and the sound output is crisp, especially when paired with upgraded Jeep speakers. Jeep owners often highlight the modern look it adds to the interior and the clarity of its screen compared to stock systems. It's a strong choice for anyone who wants to blend rugged adventure with high-end tech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow Jeep adventurers. Comment below which stereo upgrade you'd love to install on your Wrangler JK. Stay tuned for more reviews and mods, only on Adventure Jeep, where every drive is an adventure.